Hi guys, and welcome back to another thrifting video. So today in this video, by the title, you could pretty much already see what the topic is going to be. But I was on vacation in Maine and I went to the bins in Maine, and then I also stopped at a lot of local thrift stores. So I like to watch these videos of people thrifting on vacation, so I wanted to create one and show you guys the things that I found. One of the things that I have to say is that there's a lot of brands that you find up there in Maine that you can't really find down here in Florida, and I'm going to show you some of the brands that I found that I can't really find down here in Florida because of the seasons that we have here. So I found a lot of really good stuff and I am super excited to share that with you guys. And because I've been away with school and a lot of stuff is going on, I'm going to combine this with another haul that I did at the bins here in Florida. So I think it's going to be kind of fun to kind of compare to see what I get here in Florida compared to what I get in New England, Maine. So I'm very excited to share this video with you guys, and if you guys like content like this, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. So I'm just gonna get right into this video and show you guys what I found. The first thing that I have found is this Patagonia. It does need some work, but it's a Patagonia cinchilla. And I never find Patagonia here. Funny enough, I did find two other Patagonia items here in Florida at the bin, so that is kind of crazy. But yes, I found a Patagonia cinchilla. Like I said, it does need some work. But this brown color was super in this winter. Hopefully it's in this winter. But it has a little Patagonia symbol over here. But the bins are 10 cents more up there, so not that big of a difference. But the normal Goodwills are so expensive up there. I am so shocked at how much I was paying for items, and I'll go through that in just a little bit. But first item is this Patagonia cinchilla, so I'm super excited to list this, but I might wait a while just because I know it's probably not going to sell in the middle of spring/summer. So it has nice pockets and just a really nice overall color, and it was in good condition, and I did pay a little bit up for it personally for what I normally pay for things. So there's that. The first few items I'm showing you guys are from the bins in Maine. Obviously, you can never find Uggs here in Florida, so I did find a pair of Uggs. They're in literally like brand new condition. The fuzz in the inside is great. There are a little bit of stains that I have to figure out how to get out. I'm not sure what the best chemical to use is yet. But literally there looks like there's a little stone in there, but there's like no signs of wear on the bottom of them. So I'll probably list them for like $40, not a lot, but I didn't pay that much for them. So it'll still be a good return. So I got those, but the other side does have some staining. But what I have heard is that a lot of people like to buy like used ones that are cheaper that have a little bit of staining so that they can wear them in the snow, because the material of Uggs are not really made to be worn in the snow. They're kind of like a fall boot. So we'll see. That's why I picked them up. So we shall see. This is not from the bins. I got this from a store called Find in Maine. It was in South Portland. It's by the brand Mauve. It's a Anthropologie brand. These are for me for work, but they're like a fun flowy pant. I had to buy a box to put all this in because I did not have enough space. I bought way too much stuff. So yeah, these are for me, but they're really cute, and I figured if they didn't fit me, I would sell them because they are Anthropologie. And I know Anthropologie is a little bit saturated, but pants like that I think are kind of still in, so they fit. So but this is still from the bins. It's just an NFL size large Patriot fleece, which of course you would find that there because it's Maine. So it's in really good condition, and I know a lot of gear for football sells, so nice. I can't wait to list that for the winter. And because it's still like kind of like when I was up there, it was in the 40s and 50s, so it was still cold up there. So it's funny that I was still finding a lot of long sleeves. Here it's like all t-shirts now. But this next one is a Carhartt hooded jacket, And I never find Carhartt here in Florida because we don't really have Carhartt. I mean, we do, but we don't have a lot of like the heavy gear snow. So I thought it was really nice. It was in really good condition. It does have a little bit of staining on the sleeve, but the staining doesn't really scare me away because I feel like I've gotten pretty good at like really getting those stains out. But just another Carhartt jacket. My brother wants it, so hopefully it sells before the winter because I don't want him to have it because I know this will be a pretty good profit. So if anybody of you guys want to buy it, I'll give you a good discount. This next thing is my favorite. Well, this isn't from the bins. This is from the normal Goodwill. I literally paid so much for this, but whatever. It's so cute, and I really hope somebody likes it. I want to take a few pictures in it and then sell it. But I was checking out and I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get that. But it's a Levi's maroon jean jacket. Like, are you kidding me? This is so cute. It's like a little bit of a velvet feel to it. But I saw this when I was checking out, and I'm telling you guys, I like literally grabbed it. I thought the girl in front of me was buying it, but she didn't. So I'm really excited. But look at this, brand freaking new. So I had to pick that up. Even if it doesn't sell, then I will probably try to keep it for myself because it is really, really cute. This next piece I got from the normal Goodwill, and I paid so much money for this, so I really hope it sells because I know this brand is saturated. It's Anthropologie, but are you kidding me? Look how cute this is. I just listed it yesterday, and you know, it's the spring, summer, so I'm not expecting it to sell right now, but oh my gosh. It's not cashmere, but it feels like cashmere, but it's brand new with the tag. It was originally $118, so that was super exciting. Like I said, I did pay up for this, which was kind of annoying, but I just couldn't leave this behind because look how cute. Like, I want this for myself, but it does not get cold enough here. And then going back to what I found, these are from the bins, just some American Eagle jeans. I love picking these up. But I thought these were cute because they have little rips at the knees, and then they have some distressing at the bottom, which I think is really popular and cute. I will never pass up American Eagle jeans ever, especially at the bins because they're so cheap. This next pair is another pair of American Eagle jeans. I picked them up basically for size because they're a size 10, and I never find bigger sizes in American Eagle. Not bigger because I'm a size 10, but you know, usually I'm finding like 0s, 2s, 4s, and 6s, and those sell, but they take longer to sell, so I was happy to find a bigger size in American Eagle jeans. This is an older, not like super old, but an older style, so hopefully they'll sell. But I don't know, jeans, you know, we're looking for shorts and tank tops, so I didn't find a lot of that stuff because, like I said, it's still kind of cold up in New England area. I found these and I was super excited because I looked up the comps and they were selling for like $40 to $60, so I picked them up. But they're a pair of Athleta tights slash leggings, but they're really cool. They're called the Twilight Tight. But look how cool those are. I thought these were really, really pretty. So I picked them up and they're basically, like, they feel so brand new. Like, they're still stiff from, like, not being worn. So I picked them up. But comps are really good on these, so I decided to pick them up. So now I'm gonna go on to the stuff that I found at my last binge trip here in Florida, so you can kind of see the stuff that I found here. Okay. So I found these really cool and pretty Adidas track pants. I love these. I think these are so cute. Nice zippers. They're in wonderful condition, and like I said, the color is really pretty. It's a basic Style & Co, but I really like the embroidery on it. I think it's nice, and the bottom is a cute little lace, and so I like that. Kind of wanted to keep it for myself, but it's to sell and has a nice cute little tassel on the front tie there. I found this North Face fleece type of, what do you call this, sweater. It was a really pretty color, and I liked that it was North Face. So like I said, I know this is getting ready. We're not really into this season right now, but I picked it up for next year, and you know, hopefully it'll sell soon. This next item is by Westport. Never really heard of it before. But it's just a really pretty dress, kind of an off-the-shoulder dress, so I really like that style and aspect of it. It's like mid-length, so I really like that because I feel like that like mid-length is in. Let's see here. Then I found this cute little slip dress slash lingerie piece. I really like this color, and the top has that cute like fringe or lace like fringe type of material. So I really like this too. I thought it was really cute, so I picked that up. And then I found this. This is from Shein, which I don't know, I should not probably have picked it up, but we are getting into bathing suits, so I just thought it was cute. But I feel like this under wire cut is adorable, so I picked it up for that. It has adjustable straps, and I really liked the coloring and floral design in it, so I picked it up for that too. Sometimes I do pick stuff up for style, because a lot of the times stuff that I find that I pick up for style actually sells really well, so never know. Then I found these Victoria's Secret like silky lounge sleeping pants. I thought they were really cute and fun. So not much attention on this stuff yet. I think I sold 2 things from this last bin strip, but I had my shop on vacation mode for about 20 days, so I haven't had a sale in like 20 something days, so I'm going crazy because I really want to ship stuff and get stuff out so I can go thrifting again. So yeah, kind of annoying, but whatever. Next are a pair of just Nike running shorts. These are always a great flip, pretty quick, but you have to price them right, because I only sell these for like $12 to $15, so they're not huge money makers, but when you get them from the bins, you know, pretty good. Then this next piece I found was another Patagonia. They're bathing suit bottoms. The elastic is not as elasticy as I would like it to be, but also they're an XXL, so maybe they're supposed to be like that. I did list that in the listing, but they're a nice pair. I was so excited to find these at the bins. Men's Patagonia bottoms. And then I found this. I kind of was going to get it for my dad, but I think it looks a little like girlish. I don't know. He doesn't really wear stuff like this. But it was, his favorite beer is Guinness, so it's a Guinness sweater. I thought it was really cute. I'd probably wear this. It's a little bit of more of an itchy material, so maybe it's more expensive or it's just cheap. I don't know. But I got it because I feel like somebody would buy that. Then I got this. It's by the brand Tia Rose. T-A and then Rose. I've never heard of this brand. But I looked it up and I almost legit got a virus because it was the right website, but you have to like sign up. It was really weird. All I know is that it was pretty expensive. But the tag is still on it. And then I thought it was really cute. It's like a creamy lace material, but it's like stiff, so it's like more professional, I feel like. I just thought it was really cute. I liked it a lot. Honestly, I wanted to keep it for myself again, but I didn't. This next piece are a pair of Victoria's Secret bathing suit bottoms. I don't really sell bathing suit bottoms as much as I do the tops. And, you know, because if they're used, I do think that's a little gross. I mean, obviously everything's washed, but I know how people feel because I'm kind of the same way. But Victoria's Secret is not cheap, so I picked them up for that. And then this next item is a Rag & Bone just t-shirt, but the shoulders are kind of like cut out. So I don't know if that style is really in, but it was Rag & Bone. Probably sell for like $25, $30. So I picked that up, and let me see here. I got these Banana Republic pants. They're so cute. They're kind of like the ones that I got for myself, but they're like the beach style, and they had the dry cleaning tag on them still, so they were just freshly dry cleaned. I wanted them for myself, but they're a size 0, so, but I just thought they were really nice. And like I said, the bottom has like a little bit of like a ruffle fringe tassel's the word I was looking for. Then I found this. It's kind of like a Burberry pattern, which I thought was so dang cute. So I love that. It's a scarf with a little tassel fringe, and it's by the brand Croft & Barrow, I think. Yeah. So, you know, it's a name brand, so I figured I'd pick it up. But obviously this probably won't sell for a while, but I thought this was so cute, and it's in such good condition, so I definitely wanted to pick it up for that. This last piece I found is by White Stay, but I wanted to keep these for myself because I want to cut them because they have little tiny flowers on them, and I think that that is so cute. So I was going to cut them into shorts. If they don't turn out good, then I'll probably just list them because they're like half calf, and I don't really like that style, so not gonna do that. But oh my gosh, you guys should see this pile that I have. Okay, last thing, my brother found this for me, but it's a Patagonia hooded jacket. So I did find 2 Patagonia items in my bins, and then I found one up in Maine. So super exciting stuff here. But yeah, I love this. So I already have this listed, but again, I'm not expecting it to sell right away. But like I said, you guys should see this pile I have here. Everything except for 2 of these items are listed, so I'm very proud of myself. So hopefully by the time this video is up, everything will be listed. So if you saw anything from this haul that you guys liked, it'll be listed on my Poshmark, which is linked down below in the information section of this video. And once again, if you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I love to share my thrift hauls and everything that's selling. And if you guys have any video recommendations that you guys want me to try out or do, please let me know down in the comments. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!